Have you ever wondered how tomatoes are grown and harvested in those enormous greenhouses? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of high-tech greenhouse farming. From seed to ripe tomato, discover the innovative techniques and advanced technology that make year-round tomato production possible. Let's get started on this fresh journey. Growing and harvesting tomatoes in a large greenhouse involves a series of carefully managed steps designed to maximize yield, quality, and efficiency. Greenhouses create controlled environments that protect plants from adverse weather conditions and pests, allowing for year-round production. Here's a detailed overview of how tomatoes are cultivated and harvested in a huge greenhouse. Greenhouse design and setup. The design and setup of the greenhouse are crucial for successful tomato cultivation. Structure and environment control. Modern greenhouses are often made of glass or high-quality plastic to optimize light penetration while providing insulation. They are equipped with systems to control temperature, humidity, and ventilation. Advanced greenhouses may have automated systems that adjust these factors based on real-time environmental data, ensuring optimal conditions for tomato growth. Soil and growing medium. While traditional soil can be used, many large-scale operations utilize soilless growing media such as rock wool, coconut coir, or peat moss. These mediums provide excellent drainage and aeration while allowing for precise control over nutrient delivery. Planting and cultivation. Planting and cultivation practices are tailored to maximize tomato growth and yield. Seed selection and propagation. Farmers select tomato varieties based on factors such as market demand, disease resistance, and growing conditions. Seeds are typically sown in seed trays or plugs and nurtured in a nursery area until they develop strong root systems and several true leaves. Transplanting. Once the seedlings reach the appropriate size, usually 4–6 inches tall, they are transplanted into the greenhouse's main growing area. Nutrient management. Proper nutrient management is vital for healthy tomato plants and high yields. Fertilization. Greenhouse tomatoes require a balanced supply of nutrients, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Farmers often use liquid fertilizers or nutrient solutions that can be delivered through irrigation systems, ensuring that plants receive the necessary nutrients at different growth stages. pH and EC monitoring. Regular monitoring of soil or growing medium pH and electrical conductivity (EC) is essential to ensure optimal nutrient uptake. Watering and irrigation. Efficient watering and irrigation systems are key to tomato cultivation in greenhouses. Drip irrigation. Many greenhouses employ drip irrigation systems that deliver water directly to the root zone of each plant. This method minimizes water waste and helps prevent diseases associated with overwatering. Timers and sensors can automate watering schedules based on moisture levels in the growing medium. Humidity control. Proper humidity levels are crucial for tomato health. Farmers monitor humidity and may use humidifiers or dehumidifiers to maintain ideal conditions. Pest and disease management. Integrated pest management (IPM) strategies are employed to keep pests and diseases at bay. Biological control. Many greenhouse operations use beneficial insects such as ladybugs or predatory mites to control pest populations naturally. These insects can help manage aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites without resorting to chemical pesticides. Regular monitoring. Farmers conduct regular inspections to identify signs of pests or diseases early. Implementing preventative measures such as crop rotation and sanitation practices helps reduce the risk of outbreaks. Pruning and training. To maximize light exposure and fruit production, pruning and training are essential practices. Support systems. As tomato plants grow, they are often supported with trellises, stakes, or strings to keep the plants upright. This allows for better air circulation and light penetration, which is critical for healthy fruit development. Pruning. Farmers regularly prune the lower leaves and suckers, side shoots from the plants. Harvesting. The harvesting process is crucial to ensure the quality and marketability of tomatoes. Timing. Tomatoes are typically harvested when they reach the desired color and ripeness, which varies by variety. Harvesting too early can lead to subpar flavor, while waiting too long can result in overripe fruit. Manual and mechanical harvesting. Depending on the scale of production, harvesting can be done manually or with the aid of specialized equipment. Manual harvesting is common in smaller operations, where workers carefully pick each tomato to minimize damage. Post-harvest handling. After harvesting, proper handling ensures that tomatoes maintain their quality until they reach consumers. Sorting and grading. Harvested tomatoes are sorted and graded based on size, color, and quality. This step ensures that only the best fruit is packaged for sale, which is crucial for maintaining brand reputation and consumer satisfaction. Storage and distribution. Tomatoes are often stored in climate-controlled conditions to extend their shelf life. Proper packaging minimizes bruising during transport. Farmers work closely with distributors to ensure that their products reach markets quickly and in optimal condition. CO2 enrichment, carbon dioxide, CO2, is vital for photosynthesis. Some greenhouses inject CO2 to increase its concentration in the air, boosting plant growth and yield. CO2 enrichment is particularly beneficial during periods of high light intensity, allowing plants to utilize the increased light for enhanced growth and fruit production. Crop rotation and diversity. Implementing crop rotation and diversity practices can enhance soil health and reduce disease risks in greenhouse tomato production. Crop rotation. Although tomatoes are typically grown in the same greenhouse year-round, some growers rotate crops within the greenhouse. Introducing different crops in the off-season can help break pest and disease cycles, improve soil fertility, and reduce the reliance on chemical inputs. Intercropping. Growing companion plants alongside tomatoes can promote biodiversity and support pest control. For example, planting basil or marigolds with tomatoes can deter harmful pests while enhancing the flavor of the tomatoes. Harvest scheduling. Efficient harvest scheduling is vital for ensuring optimal quality and yield. Staggered planting. To ensure a continuous supply of tomatoes, growers often stagger planting times. This practice involves planting seeds or seedlings at different intervals, allowing for a more extended harvest season. Staggered planting helps manage labor resources effectively and meets market demand consistently. Monitoring ripeness. Implementing technologies such as color sensors or automated harvesting robots can help monitor tomato ripeness in real time. Water quality management. Water quality significantly impacts the health of tomato plants and their productivity. Water filtration systems. Many greenhouse operations utilize filtration systems to ensure that the water used for irrigation is free from pathogens and contaminants. Clean water reduces the risk of diseases and improves overall plant health, leading to higher yields. Water recycling. To promote sustainability, some greenhouses implement water recycling systems. Value-added products. To maximize profits and minimize waste, some tomato growers explore value-added products. Processing and packaging. Instead of selling all tomatoes fresh, farmers may process excess or lower quality tomatoes into sauces, salsas, or canned products. This approach not only reduces waste, but also provides additional revenue streams. Innovative marketing. Farmers may create branded products such as heirloom tomato varieties or organic sauces to differentiate their offerings in the market, engaging with local communities through farmers' markets. Growing and harvesting tomatoes in a large greenhouse involves a combination of advanced agricultural practices, technology, and careful management of environmental factors. Thanks for exploring the incredible process of greenhouse tomato farming with us. If you found this dive into high-tech agriculture as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into modern farming practices. Share your thoughts in the comments. What part of the greenhouse process amazed you the most? Until next time, stay curious and keep growing.